dear grade 7 learners, I am teacher Demi. Join me as we explore the wondrous nature of science. Today, we are diving into a fascinating aspect of chemistry, the world of solutions and their concentrations. Imagine you have a favorite fruit juice or soda. Have you ever wondered how much of the flavoring or sweetener is actually in that drink? Well, today we are going to explore a tool that helps us express just that. It's called percent by volume. So, get ready to uncover the secrets behind your favorite beverages and everyday solutions as we venture into the world of percentage by volume. Before anything else, let us define first percent by volume. Percentage by volume is a measure used to express the concentration of a particular substance in a solution. It represents the proportion of the volume of the solute or the substance being dissolved in relation to the total volume of the solution, expressed as a percentage. The formula for calculating percentage by volume is this percentage provides insight into the relative abundance or concentration of a specific component within a solution, offering a practical way to quantify the strength or composition of various liquid mixtures, such as beverages, cleaning solutions, or chemical mixtures. Before we jump into problem solving, let's get a solid grasp of the concept. Imagine you have a solution. It could be a drink or a chemical mix. The percentage by volume tells us how much of one substance is in the entire solution. So, if a drink is 20% orange juice, it means 20 parts out of 100 are orange juice. Got it? Now, let us examine first the formula for percentage by volume. To get the percent by volume, you must have first the volume of solute, then divide it by the volume of solution, then multiply by 100. The volume of solute usually exists in smaller amount, while the volume of solution is the sum of the volume of solute and volume of the solvent. Now that you know the formula on how to solve problems involving percentage by volume, let us now try to solve the following problem. What is the percentage by volume of a solution containing 250 ml of ethanol and 750 ml of water? Let us start by identifying the given. What do you think is the given? The given is 250 ml ethanol as the volume of solute and 750 ml plus 250 ml as the volume of the solution, which is equal to 1000 ml. Let's do now the mathematics. Let's divide first 250 ml by 1000 ml. You will have to put 250 ml inside the division sign and the 1000 outside the division sign. Since 250 is a smaller number compared to 1000, we will be adding a 0 next to the decimal point in 250, making it to 250.0. Place the decimal point up, then disregard the decimal point in 250, making it to 2,500. 2,500 divided by 1,000 is equal to 2. 2 multiplied by 1,000 is equal to 2,000. You will then subtract 2,000 from 2,500, resulting in 500. Then add another 0, making it now 5,000. Now 5,000 divided by 1,000, the answer is 5. 5 multiplied by 1,000, the answer is 5,000. Subtract this to 5,000, the answer is 0. So that means you are now done dividing, and that's give you the final answer, which is 0.25. But we are not yet done. You still have to multiply 0.25 to 100. What do you think is the answer? Well, let's multiply. 100 multiplied by 0.25 is equal to. Step 1. Write down the multiplication problem. Step 2. Ignore the decimal and multiply as if it is a whole number. Step 3. Count the total decimal places in both numbers. In 100, there are 0 decimal places. In 0.25, there is 2 decimal places. Step 4. Place the decimal in the result. The number of decimal places will be the sum from step 3. The total number of decimal places is 2, so the answer is 25. Ready for more? Here is problem number 2. Vinegar is a solution of acetic acid in water. A 1000 ml vinegar is found to have 5% concentration by volume. How much acetic acid is in the solution? The given for this problem are as follows. 1000 ml vinegar for the volume of solution, 5% as the percentage by volume, what is being asked in the problem is the volume of the acetic acid, which is the solute. Let's now do the mathematics. In this problem, the unknown is the volume of the solute, so let us now use the given to substitute the formula. For problems like this, the first step to perform is to rearrange the formula by cross-multiplying 5% and 1000 ml. Your formula should appear like this. The second step is to identify the location of the desired value. In this problem, it is the volume of solute, which is just beside 100. We would want the 100 to be eliminated, so we will divide both sides by 100. Your equation should appear like this. Step 3 is for you to cancel the same units in the equation. In our example, it is the 100. You then get the formula for the volume of the solute, which is. We can now proceed to step number 4, calculate. 5 multiplied by 1000 ml is equal to 5000 ml. Next step is to divide 5000 ml with 100. The answer is 50 ml. The volume of the acetic acid in vinegar is 50 ml. Now, how about if the missing part is the total amount of the solution? Well, let's try to solve this problem. A 45% concentration of vinegar contains 4.5 ml of acetic acid. What is the volume of the solution? Let us first identify the given. The given are as follows. The percent by volume is 45%, and the volume of solute is 4.5 ml. What is being asked in the problem is the volume of the solution. Now, using the formula for percentage by volume, let us substitute.
The first step is to rearrange the formula by cross-multiplying 45% with the volume of solution, thus resulting to this. The second step is to locate where the desired unit is. In this case, we want to know the volume of the solution. Since the volume of the solution is just beside the 45%, we will divide both sides of the equation with 45. Step 3 is for you to cancel the same unit or number. In this case, it is the 45. The resulting final formula is
We can now proceed to step number 4, calculate. The first step is to multiply 4.5 ml by 100. The answer is 450 ml. Then, we will divide 450 ml by 45. The answer is 10 ml. Now that we are done with the examples of the percentage by volume, let us try to answer the following problems. Grab those pen and paper and answer the following. Number 1, what is the percentage by volume of a 20 ml solution containing 5 ml of solute? Number 2, a 20 ml solution with a concentration of 5% is found to have methanol as it is a solute. What is the volume of methanol in the solution? Number 3, a 0.5% concentration of vinegar contains 10 ml of acetic acid. What is the volume of the solution? If these are your answers, then you are correct. Congratulations on making it, and I hope you have learned something from me today. We will end our lesson here. Remember that learning science is always fun. It leads you to discover things beyond your imagination and to think with endless possibilities. Once again, this is Teacher Demi, your chemistry buddy.